Hello, how are you doing? Thanks for checking in. Today we will learn how to make a graph in Google Sheets. To start, open up your Google Sheets in your web browser. Now, we're going to create a graph for the data here. Select all the cells range you want to turn into a graph. Then, you click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen and you select Charts. Google will automatically bring up this type of bar charts. At the right hand side of the screen, you can customize your charts. To adjust the size of the graph, you double click on the graph and move it. Then you click on the corners on the sides and either reduce or increase the size. Now, the right hand side, here you can customize your charts. You can add a title to your graph or your chart. You can also change the chart or the graph type. Click on the chart type and you select either a line graph, an area graph, a column graph, a bar graph, a pie chart, a scattered graph, and many others of your choice. You can choose to change the label, the names, and many other customizations you can make. You can also click on the three dots inside the chart to edit your chart, to delete it, to download it. You can publish it, you can copy it, and so many lovely customizations you can do with your chart. So that is how you make a graph in Google Sheets. I hope this video helps you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye. See you in the next video.